Hey guys, it is Patrick. Welcome back to my channel. Now for today's video, I'm so excited. I feel like I say that for every video, but for this video especially, I'm super excited. So today, I made another life accomplishment. We got another 125 stars at Starbucks. Keeping with my tradition, we are going to use that to get a crazy drink that I would normally never get on a daily basis. And today, it's a very special drink. I'm going to be trying the Ariana Grande Frappuccino. Now it's actually pretty simple and it isn't as extreme as my last 100 ingredient Frappuccino. So we are kind of toning it down for this video because the baristas have been giving me mean looks ever since I made them make that drink. So we're gonna kind of try to get on their good side with this one. So let's see how you guys can order this at home. Okay, so just like the last time, I'm gonna be doing this all on the Starbucks app. Okay guys, so if you want to order the Ariana Grande Frappuccino where you live, all you're gonna have to do is get a venti vanilla bean Frappuccino, add 4 pumps of raspberry syrup, 4 pumps of mocha sauce, 4 Frappuccino chips, with extra whipped cream and extra caramel drizzle. It's pretty simple. I will put a screenshot of the order right here. So it's actually not that hard to order. Okay, so here's the order, and normally this is gonna be $6.95, but like I said, I have a reward, so I'm going to go redeem that, and it's gonna bring the total down to 0. So just because this is an Ariana Grande drink, I cannot believe I haven't done an Ariana Grande themed video on my channel yet. So on the way to Starbucks, I'm going to be jamming out to Ariana, and I'm actually going to be studying at Starbucks, but hopefully I will show you guys what the drink looks like, how it tastes, and etc.
Swag.
I will see you guys in the car. Goodbye.
Before I make a move, so baby come light me up, and maybe I'll let you find something about you makes me feel like a dangerous love.
Hey guys, so I just got at Starbucks. I'm so excited to try this drink. Let me call Gracie and make sure that she's inside or in the parking lot, so I don't look crazy going in there while filming.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Rude.
Hey, I had to run home real quick because I forgot my wallet.
Are you kidding me?
Patrick, I was literally like about to walk in right when you pulled up. I forgot my wallet.
Gracie, are you freaking kidding me?
I'm sorry.
I don't feel like you are.
Okay, I have to go because there's like something wrong with my car. Peace.
Hey guys, I am back with the Frappuccino. This is what it looks like. It literally looks so good. So as we can see, we have the whipped cream and caramel on top, and then it is a raspberry, pretty much a raspberry vanilla chocolate Frappuccino. This is what the order is going to look like if you guys try this for yourself. So there we go. Yeah, I'm so excited to try this. Ugh. So let's try this out. Oh my gosh. This is literally the best Starbucks drink I have ever ordered before. You guys have to try this out. This is definitely Ariana approved. She would love this drink. The raspberry chocolate caramel sensation is out of this world. You guys have to try this for yourself. If you guys like this video, be sure to give this a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.